All right, guys. So welcome to SEO 3.0 Kickstarter orientation session. So this is today we're gonna get started and really understand what's the entire ball game in the search engine optimization and what really is SEO 3.0 and how we can really use to get the maximum search traffic out on the search engines and potentially calculate and achieve the entire desired ROI, business ROI. All right. So the course curriculum goes like the first week we're gonna learn what is the fundamental of SEO. We're gonna understand what exactly is RAU framework, and there's a framework what we have built, which really helps you understand how exactly the search engine works and how the search engine behaves, and what exactly SEO is all about and how it really works. And the result after this module is you will have a step by step. You'll have a setup on your project website with a premium theme, installed all necessary plugins, gotten indexed on Google, and you'll also have set your intentions for training program and what are the basic inputs and outputs through the entire SEO ballgame, and have a clear part to follow. So in the next week two, we're gonna really understand what is keyword research, and we're gonna really understand how search queries behave, and learn how to find high value and easy to rank keywords using unique battle tested approach. And let me tell you, this is the most important session what is going to have, because keyword research is like, it's once you have the keyword research done ready, it's like basically winning half of the war. It's like, you can say 30 to 40% of the entire SEO revolves around keyword research. We're going to learn about that in detail in the week two, and the result after this module, the outcome of the entire session will be that you will be able to find out a lot of opportunities by researching high value keywords, the what is an intent, how does search intent funnel works, and segregate them and assess the competitive landscape as well for all the keyword research you have done. And this will really help you establish the entire intent, and which will connect your product to the search queries. On the next week three, we're gonna learn the on-page SEO. We're gonna really understand how to optimize your website, and we're gonna learn and implement the entire on-page relevancy side of things. And we're gonna also give you an 18-point on-page SEO checklist. And with this entire session, you'll be really helping out how the entire crawling process works, and we will be also helping you with the templates and how to go ahead and follow that checklist to come up with an entire I would say the on page relevancy. The next week is technical SEO part one. And in this technical SEO part one, what we're going to learn is what exactly is site architecture, how does the crawling and indexing really works, like what is a robot.txt, and how the mobile version behaves. And basically this entire thing really helps you to go ahead and understand the back end of the website. So technical SEO is a very important ball game when you really understand what exactly it is all about. And not just that, it also helps. So um, think of it as all the, so think of it like appearing in a very friendly manner in the eyes of Google. So this is what this will help you enable that. All right. And the entire result after this module will be like, you will be having an implemented clear site architecture, the entire navigation, update your robot.txt, and we'll get deep into it. What exactly is robot.txt, and how you can leverage it out to really index the website, and what are the pages which you should not index, and everything around that. And also we'll deep dive into the Google Search Console. Basically, this will help you to understand what exactly is going on the website, and the entire data set, whatever activity we are doing is can be tracked here. And the next week is technical SEO part 2. In here, we will really understand how to make a website fast, because nobody likes a slow website. Everybody wants a fast website, and henceforth the Google, it destroys the user experience if your website is not fast. So we'll go dig deep into how you can really go ahead and enable any website page speed, like optimize the page speed. And we'll also go ahead and learn about schema, what is a schema, what is an SSL, and what exactly is voice SEO. And once you have done that, you'll be able to really practically implement um a page speed, and it will also help you really understand what exactly is schema, what how you implement it, and what are the rich results for search engine landscape. And also you will be going ahead and optimizing your website for voice SEO. This is something which we're gonna definitely talk about. And in the week 6, what we'll do is we'll actually perform a technical audit. So in this week, we're gonna dig deep onto the crux of what exactly are the technical issues on the website and how to do a technical audit. And not just that, we'll try to find out how you can go ahead and fix those audit issues. And this will help you to really set the foundation on the website. Uh, the foundation then will be leveraged in the next coming sessions, which we're going to talk about once we go ahead and implement the entire content and everything after that. And this will also help you really understand what are the tools and what are the tech stacks we're going to use to do a technical audit of the website. And the entire outcome for this module is to help you do an entire detailed tech audit for a website and find out all the tech underlying issues. And once we have done with that, then we'll move on to something called as off-page SEO. So let's really understand, link building is something which is very, uh, very profound in the search engine ballgame. Why do I say that? Is because backlinks have been into the so we'll really understand, we'll tripwire to the history, that why is Google so big? What did made Google so big? And we will really understand why people like Larry Page developed the idea of this backlink to, or this authority figure, to really cope up with giving out quality search results, authoritative search results. So that will be an interesting session there. And once we have done that, we'll move on to the week 8, which is going to be off-page SEO part 2. And here we'll learn the 4 advanced ways of building backlinks the right way. Because if you're not building the backlinks the right way, Google can also penalize you. And we'll also talk about the algorithms, and we'll also talk about the search engine updates throughout the history, which has you know which plays a very vital role once you go ahead and plan an entire successful strategy, once you go ahead and streamline your strategy and implement that. So once you have done that, we'll also go ahead and in this week we're going to build a multiple backlink opportunities in your niche, in your product, and create a process of earning and building high quality backlinks as well. So this is something which we're going to talk it out in week number 8. And once we have done that, once we have really understood the off-page ins and outs of the off-page, then we'll go talk about how to do a off-page audit. So off-page audit, SEO audit, is very crucial for a website success. It provides really the perceived authority, the perceived value externally on the entire search engine. And this external perspective is very vital for search engine ranking and appearance. You say the online visibility. And this will help you to really understand your website authority, reputation, and also gauge the potential, how much ROI, or how much business opportunities, or how much traffic you can leverage out of it. And by doing this, we're gonna go ahead and talk about your competitors as well. This will not only help you to stay ahead of the competitors, but also helps you enjoy a long-term online visibility. So once we have done that, we'll go deep into local SEO in week number 10. In this week, we're gonna set up and optimize your Google business profile. Plus, we'll also create citations, and we'll talk about something called as NAPS. So NAPS is name, address, and phone number. So just like RAU framework in search engines, there is a framework called as NAPS on the local SEO side of things. And this should be very consistent across all the citations, all the different backlinks we're gonna build inside the local SEO ballgame. And after this module will be you'll be have a well optimized Google business profile, which will help you to attract local leads for your business, or maybe anything, or maybe for your clients as well. So, and once we have done that, once you have really understood what is local SEO, how to build a social, how to build a Google business profile, how to have a a local online visibility, we're gonna understand how to do a local SEO audit, and this will help you to understand the crux of where you are standing and where your competitors are standing, and really reverse engineer the entire traffic from their funnel to your funnel. And once you have done that, once we have been through this week, we will it will really help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of a websites or maybe a local business in relation to the search visibility in that proximity. And then we will move ahead from local SEO to week number 12, which is international SEO. Here we will really learn to optimize your website to rank in multiple countries, languages, and this will help you to really get a torrential downpour of traffic globally. And in this week, you're gonna really understand how to implement international SEO. Um there's a code snippet actually what we take help for, and that is called reflang, and we're gonna go deep dive into it and talk and really implement this entire thing for our products. There is this thing, what is the use of going ahead and doing this level of engagement, this level of activity, if you're not able to track the results? This will be we really have to understand that what are the results we are getting out of the input we are putting in. So in this week, we're going to really understand what are the metrics to track on Google Analytics and Google Search Console, and also create a monthly report, uh, which can also be served as real-time intuitive dashboard. We're going to help you really understand how to build a SEO reporting dashboard. We're going to use a tool called as Looker Studio, and in that Looker Studio will help you integrate GA4, Google Analytics 4, and Google Search Console, and other metrics from third party metrics, and that will help you to really understand and track your SEO performance in real time. And once we have done that, then we'll move on to week number 14, which is SEO Strategy 3.0. In this week, we're going to deep dive into crafting a proper solid SEO strategy. And not just that, we'll go ahead and reverse engineer your competitors and decide on your pricing, how to go ahead and really quote a price. Supposingly, like in the future, you are going ahead and creating an SEO agency for yourself. So how to go ahead and craft a strategy, and how much you should really charge for that SEO strategy. And not just that, will also help you to learn and manage the SEO project, and help you and will also help you with our SEO proposal template for a better ease. And once we have done that, in this stage, we will really help you also to integrate the entire keyword research and the entire bits and elements of the previous weeks to the strategy, how you go ahead and use keyword research, technical audit, off-page audit, and complete the and paint the entire picture and complete the entire I would say the strategy, the SEO 3.0 strategy. And once we have done that, then the last week is week number 15, which will be a master session. And here we will help you to build a data-driven projection about the future traffic, KPIs, and revenue based on the SEO activity we have been doing in the previous stages. And this will help you gain the potential success, the opportunity cost, and the ROI. And this includes traffic forecast, KPI impact, and revenue potential throughout the SEO strategy, which we're going to build about. And the result after this module is gonna be you're gonna be having a 12-month detailed SEO blueprint based on your insights, based on the SEO audit and everything. And we're gonna really understand how to connect the entire dots and make it a complete craft, make it a complete art out of your strategy. So this is gonna be an interesting session, and you're gonna really understand that why this is very important, because at the end of the day, uh traffic is vanity and profit is sanity. So that's what we really go by. And once we have done that, then we'll go ahead and implement the entire strategy by ourselves. And once we have gone ahead and really understood the ins and outs of SEO strategy, which we're gonna do it like real time with all of us, like all five and six of us. And once we have done that, then we're gonna go ahead with the implementations, and that will be the uh, second phase of this entire engagement, of our entire engagement. And let's go ahead and talk about program prerequisites. So how is this program structured? The objective of this program is to learn and implement SEO practically. What do I mean by that? Because there are absolutely insane amount of information out there. If you go ahead and type the word search engine optimization online, that makes you confused, or like, that is not structured information. And also, SEO is not a knowledge problem, it's an execution problem. So this is something which I really go by, and I have also learned the entire SEO ball game by really going ahead and implementing it by myself. And once we have done with that, then you're going to really understand how SEO works and how to craft a successful SEO strategy. And then every Monday at 3:30 p.m. EAT, there will be a 90-minute live session, or we can decide on the another date as well. And maybe like Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. EAT. And after each session, every week, you will be given an assignment, a practical assignment. And we'll talk about that a bit later. And then Wednesday 3:30 p.m. EAT or Thursday 3 p.m. EAT, we're gonna have a live Q&A sessions. In that Q&A session, the breakdown goes like 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes we're gonna have live assignment breakdown. The assignments, whatever we will be rolling out each week, we'll be picking up each of the assignments and really giving you feedback one by one, and help you understand the mistakes, or probably how you can approach the things better. And once we have done with that, then we'll go ahead and give you a detailed breakdown of the next assignment. And once we have done with that, once we are completed with that, then we're going to have a live Q&A session where all the trainees can question uh, whatever they are stuck with, or whatever they want to ask for, based on the session what we have provided. And not just that, so there are some assignment submission rules as well. For each core assignment, you'll get a week's time, and it is absolutely necessary to complete each week assignment in a week, each assignment in 1 week. And why do I say this? Why do I lay such an emphasis on this? Is because, like I said, we got to take some actionable piece of steps in order to really learn and understand how to attract organic traffic, how to do SEO. And it's gonna be easy, guys, trust me. And we are here for whatever type of questions or whatever problem we have throughout the journey. And you can submit the assignment through a form we will share you each week. And the entire and that can be we'll walk you through how to do the assignments and everything in the later sessions in the coming days. And once we are done with that, then we'll go ahead and process feedback onto the assignments and everything about that. And communication channels. So all updates regarding the SU 3.0 Kickstarter program will be shared on emails and WhatsApp. So if any new session, if the upcoming session is about to start, you will also get an email, and you'll also receive a WhatsApp message in our WhatsApp group. And please make sure that you are receiving all the communications from us on all the channels, and you should not miss any important communication, because that will like destruct the pace we are at, and everybody wants to be on the same page, and it's a community what we all are, and we have to learn and grow together. And apart from that, if there is any query, for query escalation, you can use WhatsApp group to solve the problem. Attend the Q&A session, very importantly. And even after that, if you have any problem, you can directly go ahead and send an email to sharik@cashcowlabs.io, as well as agniva@cashcowlabs.io. We'll make sure that each and every of your doubt is clear, and you really understand the depths of whatever we are sharing the knowledge, sharing the information about it. So please go ahead and use WhatsApp group. Please go ahead and attend the live Q&A sessions. And also, even after you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and share out an email to us. We'll go ahead and share out a Loom video um, to solve your query. And that's pretty much it for this entire curriculum, this entire orientation session. And thank you so much, everybody. And that's all we have to, like, we had to talk about. I'm open for any questions.
Thank you very much, Sharik. It was amazing. Thank you very
Absolutely,
much.
Danny.
So maybe let me give a chance to Osman and Balai. Maybe if they
Mhm.
have
Also share
any
across a
question.
form.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you very much.